Okay, last month, the brand Funlicht, not sure if I get the name correctly, but anyway, they invited me to review this monitor light bar on my monitor right now. I said yes, so this is my review. If you end up liking this one and purchase with my affiliate code, then I get a little bit of a kickback. Now, let's get into the review. It comes with this kind of box, and there's another box to protect the light bar and accessories. There's the light bar, the mount, the control pod, and a cable. When I have it in hand, my first impression was that it has everything you need, especially the control pod, which is something you can see on more expensive ones. Then I think the build quality is decent. The back part of the light bar and the pod are mostly made of metal for heat dissipation and premium feel. Overall, the build quality is worth the money, I would say. I've covered the Xiaomi light bar. That one is double the price of this one, and the good thing is that this light bar works as well as the Xiaomi one. So as you can see, the beams inside the light bar is neatly placed. The light is not going directly into your eyes because it is being blocked by the front part. And the light is symmetrical and very evenly distributed. For the last 2 weeks I've been using them, I haven't seen any glare, which means the light beams is in good quality. The brightness and tone can be adjusted. We will talk about that in the control pod in a bit. Then the mount is connected to the light bar and it can support the light bar very well. This part is adjustable to make the light bar facing the monitor rather than facing your eyes. And the lower part has rubber on it to clamp on the monitor so it does not wobble. This design is much better than the Xiaomi's. It is more stable and it won't fall off from the monitor. It deserves a thumbs up. Lastly, the pod, it is driven by 2 AA batteries and it can be used to adjust the brightness, whether it's dark and you just need a little bit of a light, or you want it to be super bright. And it can also be used to adjust the tone from 2700K to 6500K. The build quality of this pod is also very good, a bit of a weight to it. So this is the quick review of the Funlicht monitor light bar. My conclusion is that for $36, it is worth the money. It has all the features some high-end products has. The build quality is very good and it is very affordable. I will keep using it for a while, see if anything comes up. Until then, if you use the affiliate link to buy it, this will also help me. Thanks. Peace.